Welcome to the monthly release highlights for Okta's Workforce Identity Cloud. We will go over new generally available features and early access new features. Let's get started. Generally available features. Improved user experience for group member counts. Groups now use async counts to determine user membership for groups that exceed 10,000 users. This improves the performance of both the group's page and the group selector on the sign-on policy page. Give access to Okta support. Admins can now control how members of the Okta support team can access their org. To support this, the account page provides the following two options. Impersonation grants for cases, which allows the Okta support team to sign into your org as a read-only admin to troubleshoot issues. And support user grants for self-assigned cases. This allows an Okta support representative to access your org settings after they've opened a case. Using these settings, admins can select the right level of support access for their org. YubiKey pre-registration. Customer admins were previously unable to enroll and ship YubiKeys as WebAuthn enrollments in a quick and automated way. The YubiKey pre-registration feature enables admins to pre-register YubiKey factors as WebAuthn enrollments for both staged and existing users using ASE, workflows, and Yubico integration to seamlessly handle the registration and shipment. Seamless ISV experience for SCIM. Okta now provides a seamless ISV experience to optimize the Okta Integration Network submission experience for SCIM integrations. This new experience enables independent software vendors to build and manually test their SCIM integration metadata before submission to the OIN. This reduces the time needed for the OIN team to review and validate that the SCIM integration functions as intended, which shortens the time to publish in the OIN. This experience also incorporates communication processes in Salesforce, enabling improved collaboration internally within Okta teams and externally with independent software vendors. Benefits include less tools for technology integrators to navigate to and use, quicker time to submit SSO and SCIM OIN integration due to testing and validation of integration metadata during submission process, and quicker time to publish due to reduction in OIN operations responsibilities to manually add metadata. Multiple identifiers. Today, end users must sign into Okta with a username or email address only. With the multiple identifiers feature, admins can configure identifiers or user attributes from Universal Directory that an end user can enter to authenticate. Multiplier identifiers work in sign-on, recovery, self-service registration, and unlock flows. Admins can configure up to 3 identifiers, including email, which is still a required identifier. Benefits include users can use alternate identifiers across sign-in, recovery, unlock flows in Okta. Admins can configure identifiers on a per-application basis and supports unique, custom user profile attributes only. Allow or disallow an authenticator instance in an authentication policy rule. You can now specify a custom authenticator instance in the allow or disallow lists of an authentication policy rule. This provides more granular control over which authenticators are available to users. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. IP-exempt zone. Use this feature to always allow traffic from specific gateway IPs irrespective of any Okta-threatened site configurations or network zones that are configured as block lists. OpenID Connect identity providers now support full group sync and adding a user to a group that they don't already belong to. A user who authenticates with an external IDP is added to all available groups when full sync of groups is enabled. The user is added to any groups that they don't already belong to when add user to missing groups is enabled. This allows you to specify certain groups that users should be added to. Create dynamic resource sets with conditions. Resource set conditions help you limit the scope of a role by excluding an admin's access to certain apps. This gives you more granular control over your custom admin roles and helps meet your org's unique security needs. Benefits include allowing customers to reserve access to sensitive resources to a small subset of admins, and reduces time spent adding individual resources to resource sets. Seamless and secure authentication with passkey autofill. Passkeys offer a streamlined sign and experience to users by leveraging their browser's existing autofill capabilities. This allows users to quickly and intuitively sign in to an org without typing their credentials or seeing extra prompts. This secure, phishing-resistant solution works seamlessly across devices, delivering both enhanced security and convenience for modern authentication needs. Secure Partner Access provides a secure way for external business partners to access your org's resources. It streamlines your partner management tasks, reduces IT workload, and simplifies the process of configuring your org's security requirements. Benefits include centralized user management, visibility, and control of all your business partners within a single Okta tenant using Okta Realms. Extend strong security controls like device assurance and passwordless authentication to protect partner access, and delegate user management and app assignments to optimize IT operations. Thanks for viewing the release highlights for Okta's Workforce Identity Cloud. For additional details, please visit the Okta release notes and help article links which can be found in the video description.